So here's what you'll find when you receive your Zeus box. So inside the box, you will find your Zeus device and the charging unit. You need to remove this yellow sticker before you charge your Zeus device, and then you can place your Zeus back on the charging unit here to charge. Underneath here, you've got your user manual, which has got everything you need to get started with Zeus and use it effectively, and also 30 hydrogel pads. So this packet is full of hydrogel pads to adhere your Zeus to your skin. And then if you just remove this insert, you have the USB-C charging cable, which needs to be used to charge your Zeus device.